Imagine wellness and for a lifetime. HIW, the real cost of 3,500 calories, fat, fitness, and fun facts. Did you know that 3,500 calories is the magical number when it comes to gaining a pound of fat? It's like the I have to work out extra signal for most people. Let's break this down into digestible, pun intended, pieces, starting with the fat. Part 1. How many grams of fat will 3,500 calories add? The general rule is simple. 1 pound of body fat equals about 3,500 calories. But here's the cool part. When we say 1 pound of fat, we're not talking about pure fat, because fat doesn't travel alone. It's like that friend who never goes anywhere without their water bottle. Fat carries some water with it, so 1 pound, or 454 grams, is actually about 87% fat, or roughly 395 grams of fat. That means 3,500 calories equals 454 grams of weight gained, but the fat part of that is around 395 grams. A bit of a buffer, if you will. Part 2. How many hours of exercise are needed to burn 3,500 calories? Now you've had that extra slice of pizza or that second piece of cake and you're wondering, how much work do I have to put in to burn it off? Let's break it down for you. Depending on the exercise, your weight, and how intense the activity is, the calories burned per hour will vary. Here's an approximate breakdown for 3 different people: a man weighing 75 kilograms, a woman weighing 65 kilograms, and a teenager weighing 60 kilograms. For a 75-kilogram man, burning those 3,500 calories could mean 5.83 hours of jogging at 5 miles per hour. Not in the mood for jogging? No worries. Try 8.75 hours of moderate aerobics. That's a lot of jumping jacks. Prefer water? You'd be swimming for 7 hours. A brisk walk would take 11.67 hours, while a slow walk keeps you going for 17.5 hours. Feeling like a shopping spree? Get ready for 23.33 hours of that slow, ambling pace through the mall. For a 65-kilogram woman, those calories take a little longer to burn off. Jogging would take 6.67 hours, and if you prefer aerobics, prepare for 9.72 hours. Swimming would keep you going for 7.78 hours, while brisk walking comes in at 12.96 hours. A slow walk will set you back 19.44 hours, and if shopping is your chosen activity, be ready for 25.93 hours. That's a lot of window shopping. For a 60-kilogram teen, they'd need 7.14 hours of jogging to hit that 3,500 calorie mark. Aerobics clocks in at 10.61 hours, while swimming takes 8.33 hours. Brisk walking requires 14 hours, and a slow walk demands 21.21 hours. As for shopping, you're looking at 28 hours of serious mall time. Hope you brought some comfortable shoes. While these exercise estimates provide a rough guideline, it's important to note that calorie burn is influenced by factors beyond body weight and activity type, including age, sex, muscle mass, and individual metabolism. Also, the simplistic 3,500 calorie rule doesn't account for changes in body composition, meaning weight gain from a caloric surplus may not entirely consist of fat. For weight management, rather than focusing solely on calorie burn through exercise, a combination of balanced nutrition and physical activity is more effective. The takeaway: next time you're eyeing that extra slice of pizza or dessert, remember, it's not just about the enjoyment of what you eat, but how much movement it takes to balance it all out. So, when considering what to eat, choose high-fiber, juicy, whole plant foods. Think of delicious options like watermelon, cucumbers, oranges, apples, berries, and leafy greens. Not only are they refreshing, but fiber and water have 0 calories, and whole plant foods are nutrient-dense, providing essential vitamins and minerals without excess calories. This is backed by numerous scientific studies showing the health benefits of whole plant-based diets in weight management and overall health. Let's play a game of comfort food versus fiber-filled whole yumminess. Here are 3 creative and delicious comparisons that keep the calorie count the same, but with a whole lot more goodness. 1. 3 scoops of ice cream versus a giant bowl of fresh fruit salad. Who doesn't love a creamy scoop of ice cream? Those 3 scoops, though, clock in at around 450 calories. But imagine swapping that for a huge bowl of fresh fruit salad. packed with juicy watermelon, sweet berries, crisp apples, and refreshing citrus, and still stay within those same 450 calories. You get the same indulgent sweetness plus all the benefits of fiber, vitamins, and hydration from the fruit. And here's the kicker. Fruit gives you natural sugars, zero extra workouts, and the satisfaction of eating a whole lot more without feeling weighed down. 2. A slice of cheesecake versus an overflowing plate of veggies and hummus. That rich, creamy slice of cheesecake, about 350 calories, is a classic comfort choice, but how about an overflowing plate of crunchy veggies and hummus? For the same calories, you could munch on crisp carrots, bell peppers, cucumbers, and cherry tomatoes dipped into some deliciously spiced hummus. Not only does this snack give you tons of fiber, but it's also loaded with protein from the chickpeas, helping you feel full and energized, unlike that post-cheesecake food coma. 3. A bag of chips versus a heaping avocado toast. Let's be real, a bag of chips, about 500 calories, can be a satisfying crunchy fix, but swap that out for a heaping avocado toast made with whole grain bread, topped with creamy avocado, cherry tomatoes, and a sprinkle of seeds. Same calories, but you're getting healthy fats, fiber, and tons of nutrients like potassium and magnesium. Plus, the whole grains will give you slow-releasing energy, keeping you fuller, longer, unlike chips, which disappear faster than you can say second bag. Bonus, 1 beer or a glass of wine versus a sparkling water mocktail. Now let's talk drinks. That beer or glass of wine you're sipping on adds around 150 calories, but why not shake things up with a refreshing sparkling water mocktail instead? Mix sparkling water with some fresh lime, a handful of crushed berries, and a sprig of mint, all for basically 0 calories. You'll still get that festive fizz, but with no alcohol, no calories, and an extra hydration boost. Perfect for a relaxing happy hour. Thanks for being here with us, HIW.